Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 4.2 and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings and then choose storage, which will be right here. And you should see your SD card, so tap on it. And from here tap on the three dots and go into storage settings where you will find format option. So tap on that. It will pop up with the message telling you that performing this will remove all the data from the SD card. So if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up to your computer, for instance, before you begin, otherwise you will lose it. But assuming you don't want to or you don't care, you can just tap on Format SD card. The process will begin. It's a fairly brief one, it only takes a couple seconds. And once it's done, the card will be immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. Tap on done and you're basically finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.